This is Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Welcome back, gearheads. In the first part of our series, we covered the basics of clutch cable replacement. Now, it's time to roll up our sleeves and get into the nitty-gritty details. Grab your tools and let's pick up where we left off to ensure your clutch operates smoother than ever before. Installing the new cable. Now, it's time to install the new clutch cable. Ensure you follow these steps for a successful replacement. Align the new cable correctly with the clutch pedal and transmission linkage. Secure all connections tightly to prevent any slippage or detachment while driving. Make necessary adjustments to achieve optimal clutch operation, such as adjusting the cable tension according to your vehicle's specifications. Test the clutch pedal for smooth engagement before taking your vehicle out for a drive. By carefully following these steps and considering any vehicle-specific factors, you can confidently replace your clutch cable and maintain your vehicle's peak performance. Testing and adjusting the clutch. Before hitting the road with a new clutch cable, it's crucial to ensure that it functions seamlessly. Testing and adjusting the clutch can make all the difference in your driving experience. Let's see how you can test and adjust your clutch for optimal performance. Checking clutch pedal free play. You can start by checking the free play in the clutch pedal. This is the amount of movement the pedal has before it starts to engage the clutch. To check this, press the pedal down with your hand. If there's excessive free play, it may indicate an issue with the clutch cable that needs adjusting. Proper free play ensures smooth engagement of the clutch without premature wear. Adjusting clutch pedal free play. If you find that the free play is off, it's time to make adjustments. Locate the adjuster nut on the clutch cable near the transmission. Loosen the nut to increase free play or tighten it to decrease it. Remember, a little adjustment can go a long way in ensuring your clutch operates efficiently. Testing clutch engagement. After adjusting the free play, the next step is to test the clutch engagement. With the engine running and the vehicle in gear, slowly release the clutch pedal. The clutch should engage smoothly without any jerking or slipping. If you notice any issues, it may be a sign that further adjustments are needed. Final checks before driving. Before hitting the road, perform some final checks to ensure everything is in order. Test the clutch engagement in different gears to confirm smooth transitioning. Pay attention to any unusual noises or vibrations, as these could indicate underlying problems that need addressing. Once you're satisfied with the clutch's performance, you're ready to take your vehicle for a spin with confidence. Testing and adjusting the clutch is critical in the clutch cable replacement process. By following these steps and ensuring proper functionality, you can enjoy a smooth driving experience without any clutch-related surprises along the way. Maintenance tips and precautions. Taking care of your clutch cable is essential to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Here are some maintenance tips and precautions to keep in mind to extend the lifespan of your new clutch cable and prevent premature wear that could affect the smooth operation of your clutch system. Regular inspection. Regularly inspecting your clutch cable for signs of wear and tear is crucial. Look out for any fraying, kinks, or unusual bends in the cable. Make sure the cable is properly lubricated to prevent it from sticking or binding during operation. Lubrication. Proper lubrication is key to ensuring the smooth operation of your clutch cable. Use a high-quality cable lubricant recommended by your manufacturer. Apply the lubricant sparingly and wipe off any excess to prevent dirt and grime buildup. Adjustments. Periodically check the tension and adjustment of your clutch cable. A too loose cable can cause slippage, while a too tight cable can lead to premature wear. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for adjusting the clutch cable to maintain optimal performance. Avoid excessive force. When engaging the clutch, avoid applying excessive force or abrupt movements. The smooth and gentle clutch operation will prevent unnecessary strain on the cable and other components of the clutch system. Keep it clean. Keep the area around the clutch cable clean to prevent dirt and debris from accumulating. Dirt buildup can cause increased friction and wear on the cable, leading to premature failure. Precautions. Avoid riding the clutch. Resting your foot on the clutch pedal while driving can cause unnecessary wear on the clutch cable. Only use the clutch pedal when shifting gears. Protect from heat. Ensure that the clutch cable is not exposed to excessive heat sources, as heat can cause the cable to degrade prematurely. Follow manufacturer guidelines. Always refer to your vehicle's manufacturer guidelines for specific maintenance recommendations for your clutch cable. By following these maintenance tips and precautions, you can prolong the life of your new clutch cable and enjoy smooth and hassle-free clutch operation. Replacing your clutch cable is crucial for keeping your manual transmission running smoothly. When you notice signs of wear or difficulty in clutch operation, it's vital to act fast. A functioning clutch cable ensures that you can shift gears efficiently and maintain control over your vehicle. Delaying this repair can lead to more severe issues, making your driving experience unsafe and potentially costly down the road. Always choose high-quality replacement parts and consider professional installation unless you have the required skills and tools. Address clutch cable issues promptly to protect your vehicle's performance and your safety on the road. Keep your ride smooth and your controls precise by not overlooking this essential maintenance task. There you have it, folks. Part 2 of our clutch cable replacement series is complete. We've covered every step to ensure your clutch operates smoothly and efficiently. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more automotive maintenance tips. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.